What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Balaclavas, they're not just for robbing banks. Hey, it's winter here in the Midwest, and I picked this up. It's Super Outlet, and it's a balaclava, and you might know them as ski masks, but they're kind of like nice, high-end, trendy ski masks. And, you know, there are going to be days that I need to go out in the cold and shovel and snow blow, and so I thought I'd pick this up. Kind of looks like a hood that you might see in the Star Wars universe. It's just that fleece material, which is nice. It feels just like any other fleece you would wear, you know, under a ski jacket or something like that. They do come in a bunch of different colors. You can see right there. I got this one in gray because I didn't want it to look too black and dark and sinister. And the cool thing here is we have an elastic bungee around the head, so you can kind of pull this tight and then cinch it down so that you can get a nice tight seal so you don't have air flowing around. And then you can also see in here we have basically two parts so that you can push this under your chin or pull it up over your face, and it just goes right over your head like this. Ooh, see, I can cover up my nose and then I can tighten all this down. Little plastic stops there. Ooh, it's warm. My breath is heating up my face too. I like the fact that you've got this dropping down here so you can tuck this in your shirt. You don't have to worry about kind of air or snow getting into your neck area. You can see it covers everything up. I like it. I kind of feel like I look like a terrorist right now, but hey, this thing comes down. So even though it's nice and tight, I can pull it open after shoveling. I might be out of breath and I want to go get some of that cool air into my lungs, but if it's cold, you can just pull that up. Look at that. Yeah. They're for being out in the cold, not for knocking off banks. Hey, if you want to pick this up, this thing was like $8, and I will tell you what, if you're just throwing on a beanie or a hat this winter, instead of having one of these, you are going to be missing out. These things will keep you so much warmer. And then imagine pairing these suckers with a pair of ski goggles. Boom! You're like an astronaut. Hey, link to this in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out!